the main thing for an earthquake is to ensure that you're protecting your most vital parts of your body, and one of that is your head. So we speak to the fact that you drop, cover, and hold. You get on the something very sturdy, wooden table, not glass. You cover, which is to cover your head, and you hold in order for you not to be shaken off your feet. So that is in the immediate, once you're in the building. Immediately after the shake is over, you have to, as quickly as possible, evacuate the building. So you get into an assemble area, and this is where, especially for offices and schools, this is where you now start to check to ensure that all your personnel are there. We also speak to having a warden system. So companies, schools should ensure that they have floor wardens. These persons should be so trained and equipped where they can check the facility. You check to ensure that everyone would have evacuated the building. You have to check to ensure that you don't have any ruptured pipes, you don't have gas leaking, and all these things too. This is just to ensure that you might not have these secondary occurrences such as fires and your hazardous material leaks. So these are some of the procedures that persons should employ in an earthquake during the immediate shake and after the shake. For businesses, it is essential that you have your continuity planning procedures. So your team should be trained in terms of your emergency requirements, general emergency requirements. So you treat with staff, or you ensure that persons are safe during the quake, or you ensure that persons are safe after the quake. A major quake, you can have a tremor going up to sometimes 30 seconds, beyond 30 seconds. It depends on the magnitude and severity. And sometimes 10 seconds can seem like a lifetime. So it's important to ensure that you are doing your emergency planning procedures, and you constantly have your drills. So it becomes second nature, or as I always love to say at the ODPEM, it becomes nature.